Habtoor Grand Resort Autograph Collection, a Marriott luxury and lifestyle hotel, is situated on Dubai's famous Jumeirah beach and adjacent to the Dubai Marina. The guests' rooms and suites are equipped with a flat-screen TV. Guests can enjoy relaxing facial and body treatments at the spa. The resort also has 4 tennis courts, 2 squash courts, 2 racquetball courts and a kids' club. The hotel has 14 themed bars and restaurants serving cuisine from around the world, such as Lebanese, English, Italian, and grilled dishes. The 5-star resort features 3 pools, including kids' pool with water slides, and a variety of indoor and alfresco dining outlets. These are the ratings from some of the most known travel platforms in one place. And TripAdvisor 8 is the average of these rates. TripAdvisor, trips made easy. Reviews you should consider reading. Here are some additional tips.
Don't forget to subscribe, leave comments, and let us know which hotels we should review in future.
Tripeefy, trips made easy.